As you can see, I have moved my desk a little bit, or kind of arranged some stuff a little bit. Still trying to get used to the new desk setup, but yeah, here we are, you guys. So I might as well just make the use of it. So the majority of the time when it comes to overlays, I've seen, with profile pics and with like just regular overlays, the biggest issue that I have when it comes to watching someone stream is, do they have like the matching colors to it? Not just to their profile pic and to overlay, but to their own personality as well. Are they more of this or more of that? Then they need to use this color or more of that color. What is their personality? Why do they keep using that color instead of this color, So I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you guys can find your own yourself of a good overlay when it comes to color wise. Hi, my name is JK, this is my channel. What's up everyone? Before we get started, you guys, make sure you guys like, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you guys want more of this content. I'll be doing a little bit more of my 3D stuff and what I do for my online business, so if you guys do want to check that out, I recommend you guys checking it. Also, I'm almost to 1K followers on Twitch, so if you guys would like, make sure you guys head over there and click that follow button there. I'll leave a link in the description of my Twitch channel. I do stream from Fridays and Saturdays from 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a little bit to like 12 a.m. or so. We do a lot of games, and we do a lot of other chill games as well, and I do a lot of Animal Crossing, so if you guys want to check me out there, check me out there. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. Color wise is the most important thing whenever it comes to your stream, to be honest, and why I say that is because of the fact whenever I look at stream, I look at the color first. I see, okay, this is match the profile pic. If it's like, for example, if it's like, oh, the profile pic has a background of like, pink or something, and I look at and then I look at the overlay and it's like yellow and then white or something, or black and yellow, and it doesn't match it. I'm just like, okay, this person's like a little mixed out of place. I'm sorry. Sorry, it's not my thing. If it's your kind of thing, then yes, you can still watch them, but for the majority of people, they will not see that very soothing though, to be honest. So with this kind of stuff, I do kind of see color as most important thing, because the color kind of does represent your personality. For me, it's a little bit of a balance between red and blue. Red representing more of that fury or kind of that aggressiveness, and then blue a little bit more of that soothingness and and calm. And there's a lot of depictions whenever it comes to like movies as well that I've seen. Whenever it comes to some movies, like such as like a representation of the show Vikings, you do kind of see a representation of like the places where the main characters are at. For example, the America, when the Vikings are there, it's more of a golden kind of color, representing the golden like land, or golden land basically. And then when you're back in Europe, you kind of get that blue kind of like really sad feeling, representing there's still a lot of wars, a lot of like death going on there. So you kind of see a lot of that personality there. And with lightsabers as well, color wise is also an important factor. Sith use red because of the the power that they have, or just the anger, I don't know, the hatred and all that. But otherwise, the red represents the Sith because of their fury. Blue lightsaber represents harmony and calm. And when it comes to gray lightsabers, or I guess they're like white lightsabers, I guess that kind of like represents the gray Jedi, kind of like between the dark and the light basically, which is really cool. If you guys do want a video about like lightsaber colors, I'll leave it down in the link in the description. It's really cool. You can see your personality there as well. What kind of color represents you when it comes to lightsabers, if you guys are into Star Wars stuff. I know you guys are though. When it comes to like colors with streaming, I believe it's very important to find your personality first. Finding your personality is one of the biggest things that you can ever do when it comes to finding your niche. If you don't know your personality, you can't really find your niche. For me, I want more of myself as crazy and a little bit of more of that soothingness. As you can see my videos or my streams, I go really crazy, and then I am very like, I'm very like, soothing or calm whenever it comes to like people talking to me about something. When it comes to like personality wise, go find your personality through a website. I'll leave it down in the link in the description. You guys can find it there. Do that first if you don't know what your personality is. But if you already know what your personality is, then you guys can skip the first part. The second part is to find your color. So color wise, you know, if your personality is like more of a chilled, like blue, light blue kind of stuff, then make sure you go for that one basically. And you want to also match it with another color if you guys want, because you know, can't have like, I don't know if you can have like one color in your profile pic and your overlay, but you guys can, to be honest. For me, I go with red and blue because it kind of represents who I am. You guys can see that through my profile pic and also through my Twitch overlays basically. So you know, it kind of does like match everything to that. You know, you want everything to match, because if nothing is matching, you know, when it comes to color wise, then people are going to be confused of who you are basically. Are you more of an aggressive like person? Are you like not really like aggressive person, like more of like a red and black, you know, kind of color wise? You know, when I see red and black, I kind of see more of a Call of Duty player. When I see more of like pink and yellow, I kind of do see more of a calm and soothing, relaxing kind of feeling, like Animal Crossing does for the majority of the time. So when it comes to these things, you know, you have to see, okay, what's my niche, what's my personality, and what color am I going to use? If you have a favorite color, you can go for it as well. Make sure you match it with another color. So I would recommend this website, Color Plate. I don't know what it's called, but I'll leave a link down in the description as well for your second step. So your second step is to find your second color to match your first color. You know, you want to make sure you go to this website, and then what you're going to do is you're going to find your first color, and then you're going to lock that color. You're going to keep going with the space bar, press space bar, and then see what other colors there are that match with that other original color. What's great about Color Plate is basically if you lock your first color and then keep choosing the other colors on the left, it identically matches of like the first color, not like with look wise, but more of like what will like match basically, you know, what will fit perfectly. Because like, for example, red and yellow do not go well together, you know, blue and light blue don't really go well together, or like yellow and orange too, they don't go well together. So if you need something to help you match colors, then you want to go with Color Plate. That's what I've learned with another person, I believe. The third step is to initiate those colors with your overlays and your profile pic, you know. Make sure you have a background with the color that you want, and then make sure like have a little bit like background color as well with the second color, you know. You can go for, I don't know like some examples, but I know pretty good examples. I believe Tashi does this as well. ACNH Tashi has more of that light blue, kind of like a beige green, I think. I don't know what that's called, but it's kind of like dark green almost. So light blue and dark green go pretty well together. So she uses that kind of color with her profile pic and with her overlay. So those match together really well. You know, it could be in a form of like stars, or what she has, could be a form of like, you know, lightning or whatever. You guys can choose, but make sure the color matches. So that's the one thing for sure you must always do. And finally, like, that's it basically. 3 steps of how to do it. Like I said, let me just go over it one more time. First step is to find your personality, but if you already know a personality, make sure you do the Color Plate observation. You know, make sure you find your matching colors. You can find at least 2 colors for yourself. Implement those colors that you found on the Color Plate, and then use them in your profile pic and your overlay. I will be going over maybe on how to do this, but if you guys want a second part of this, make sure you guys like and comment down below. You know, I demand a second part of how to do this specifically. You know, I can't be doing a lot of these videos long because of the fact I have to edit them out. DaVinci is freaking down, but it is what it is though. And I'll be having a so I'll be using another editing software. I think it's Adobe Premiere Rush, which is pretty good to be honest, and I like it. You know, courtesy from my school, I guess. So there's that. What was I gonna say? And then that's basically it when it comes to, you know, finding your own personality with color wise. Alright, and also I'll be developing a commercial break with the Ma energy drinks here. So I just got it right now. I am gonna be trying this out soon. Let me see. Let me just open up what it looks like right now. Here it is, you guys. It's a little bit small, but this is Ma energy. Oh frick. Okay, let me just. This is Ma energy, you guys. Like I said before, it is rest in peace Harambe. This is the most hilarious thing that I have ever seen before. You know, if you guys have not tried this out, make sure you try it out. I'll leave a reference link in the description. 10% of your guys' purchase goes to me and to this channel, you guys, so thank you guys for that. And I'll give you guys a 10% discount code as well, basically MA10 I believe, and you guys will get a 10% discount for all of you guys out there. So I'm gonna be trying this out soon. Wait, ooh, okay, I think it has a little spoon in it, so I'll probably need to do a little scoop basically, but we'll see how good this thing is, and we'll see how good this thing is, and you know, I'm gonna be very excited. But anyways, that is it. Gonna make commercial for YouTube, for my YouTube videos. I'm gonna be using a commercial when it comes to my energy for my YouTube videos and for my Twitch. You know, 60-second breaks or something like that. You know. So if you guys want something like that, make sure you like and subscribe, and also head over to my Twitch channel and make sure you guys watch whenever I'm live. Like I said, I'm live from 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, you guys. So if you guys want to see me there, go crazy, and you guys want to join some fun with some community-based games, then make sure you guys check me out. Alright guys, I'll see you all later, and I'll see you all soon for Republic. I'll see you later. You guys have a good Monday. Monday's not very good, is it?